Display grid genuinely turns a container into a real two-dimensional grid with explicit actual rows and columns. In this video, you'll build a real basic grid layout. Display grid genuinely activates grid layout. Grid template columns genuinely defines 3 real equal width columns using the FR unit. Gap genuinely adds real, consistent spacing between every grid cell, both rows and columns, in one actual declaration. Grid template rows genuinely defines explicit real row heights, the same way grid template columns genuinely defines column widths. Display grid genuinely activates two-dimensional grid layout. Grid template columns rows genuinely define explicit track sizes. Gap genuinely adds consistent spacing between every real cell. Build a real 3-column, 2-row grid with consistent gap spacing. Ready to genuinely place specific items on a grid?